Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. As I said in my previous video, the videos this week are aimed at beginner crafters who've never crafted before, who may be scared of stamping, who just want to make something pretty, or people who just want to make something very pretty very quickly. So they're very simple and easy projects this week. So let me show you how I did this. So supplies you're going to need, your card base is a standard A6 card base, and this is Mossy Meadow. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Then I've got a piece here of Magnolia Blooms Designer Series paper, and this also measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Then I've got one of my memory more cards, and then another piece of Mossy Meadow that measures 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches, which I've had to do in inches because our memory more cards unfortunately are in inches. So let's get started. Okay, this is a very simple card, and we're just going to start by sticking down our Designer Series paper to the front of our card, just here with some snail. And the sun has just come out here in Lincoln after being gloomy all morning, so isn't that wonderful? So that makes me even happier because I've got flowers here and I've got the sun outside. What more could I want? Then I'm going to add here some, this is our memory more card, and I'm just going to put this in the middle of our piece of Mossy Meadow. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in, I'm going to show you first our memory more cards. I'm going to put these two aside. These are the memory more cards. You get these 3x4 cards, as you can see, and you've got some with sentiments, which is what I used. So this one says happy birthday, and you've got different, you know, some with different things, like it says on this day. So these are for pocket scrapbooking normally, but you can use them for card making as well. But here you've got you and me, you know, and you've got different, some have sentiments, some don't. I've got on this day again, and you've got these pretty flowers. These can be used as, you know, focal images on your card as well, or you can use it like here, you are loved, thank you. So I've used some of those. And then of course you have your 6x4 cards. See here, you are my everything and more. You could use some of these. You could stamp in the center of these as well and use them as a card front. You've got some vellums. Here says hooray for today. So there again, you can use that for a card. Together is the best place to be. Make great card fronts as well. And like here, you've got together is the best place to be again. And then you also have some stickers, which you can see here, and you can see I've used them already. And let me bring back my card base. Here's some more stickers. Now we're going to be using this sticker first. And I should have maybe done this before I stuck down my piece of paper, but no problem. I'm just going to stick that along there, and then we're going to take this one here and we're just going to overlap it a bit, trying to keep things as straight as possible, and stick that down. And then we're just going to cut off the excess here, and this is where I should have maybe done it before I stuck my piece of paper down, but as you can see, you can rip it up quite easily without doing any damage. And you can really stick it down, and it, like any double-sided tape, which is what snail is pressure adhesive, so it only really takes when you give it a good rub down, you know. Okay, so then we're going to take this piece here, and I'm just going to bring it here and plonk this down like that. Ouch! Get rid of that, and then we're going to deal with our inside. And what should we use for our sentiment for the inside, do you think? I'm going to use this one that says happy birthday. So we're just going to put the sticker sort of like that. Now it looks a bit sad by itself, so I think we're going to use some of those other stickers to decorate it a bit. So let's use one of these and add a decoration down there, and then maybe one of these here. Up there as well. And now we're just going to stick this down to the inside of our card, making sure everything's in the same direction, because you don't want an upside down card. Okay, and we are done. So let's get all of that out of the way. Actually, we're not done. We're going to use we're going to just decorate it with some finishing touches, and this is some rhinestones. And I'm just going to use one of these small ones here, and I'm going to put it here over the dot of the eye, and that just gives it some bling. So there you go, two very simple cards using the Magnolia Blooms suite of products and the Memory More cards. I hope you liked the projects. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this video, or this project rather, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!